Hello friend, once again welcome on board. Hope you are doing well. And today we'll discuss about Airbus A320 family APU fire discharge disc, which is going to be checked in every flight, every night halt, and this is very important during every flight. This is asked by so many technicians what is the concept behind this red disc, whether it is a rapture type or color change type. So guys, today we'll go in detail about this, and so sit back, relax, enjoy this video till end. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get daily vlogs on Airbus 320 family. So let's start with APU fire disc. In Airbus 320, APU designed for automatic self-monitoring operation, attended or unattended mode. So if you see, there is a two concept behind the APU: in-flight logic and on-ground logic. So in-flight, the crew must be operate the system manually from the cockpit in case of require or in case of fire. If it is on the ground situation, the fire and overheat detection system activate the extinguishing system automatically. So this is unattended mode, you can say, or unmonitored mode. On ground, the fire extinguisher system is only activated by loop. In the event of fire on ground, system can automatically shut down the APU and discharge the fire extinguishing bottle even without a mechanics. So this is unattended mode. Electronic control box, which is called ECB, manage the APU and perform automatic shutdown in case of most system fault like overspeed, high GT fire in the compartment, which make unattended safe operation. The extinguisher bottle has a pressure relief device. When the pressure in the extinguisher bottle increases to the given level, the pressure relief device let the extinguisher agent flow overboard. When the pressure relief device operates, the extinguisher agent flow through the overboard discharge pipe into the discharge indicator. The extinguisher agent pushes the disc out of the discharge indicator housing and flow overboard the ejected disc so that the fire extinguisher is not serviceable at this time. So APU fire red disc will be blown out. There is no color change in the red disc. So this is confirmed based on my documents. When the extinguisher agent is released into the APU compartment or overboard, the pressure switch on the bottle sends the signal to engine APU fire panel. Then the discharge legend in the agent push button switch will come on. So this is the concept. Once bottle is discharged, then discharge indication light will come on the engine APU fire panel. This is the location of APU fire disc and fire bottle. If it is discharged, then new packing required, new disc assembly required to service back in normal condition. And if you see, this is the fire push button, squib and discharge test button. We'll discuss about the agent 2 push button. This button are activated only when the related fire push button has been manually popped out. There is, now if no light in the button means the related agent push button is not active. If squib light is there, the related agent push button is active, and for discharging the related fire extinguisher button must be briefly pushed. And the discharge light comes on amber when the related fire extinguisher bottle has lost pressure. Note, the discharge and squib light are also triggered when the related test push button is pressed, but the related agent push button is not active. So during test time also you will get this both light. If you are talking about fire push button, normal position will be in the guarded condition. The red light comes on whenever fire push button position respective fire warning is activated, or by the pushing the test button also you'll get red light. When it is manually popped out, the oral fire warning will stop. The fire extinguisher rescue are armed for APU fire button. The following related valve are closed, like fuel LP valve, bleed valve, cross bleed valve. Also the generator is deactivated and the APU fuel pump will stop. So this many function once you are just manually popping out this APU fire push button. If you will talk about test push button, allow the crew to test the operation of the fire detection and extinguishing system. When pressed, the related light comes on, fire push, squib, discharge, and the related engine start fire light will come out. Also, if AC power available, the master warning flashlight and ECOM fire procedure will come on the ECOM. During the test, squib light come on only if the discharge supply are available. Now if you go to the external power panel, APU fire light you can see comes on red in case of APU fire and when the warning is triggered. An APU shutdown is initiated without cooling, the external horn sound will come on the picture. Few seconds after the fire warning, the fire extinguisher bottle is automatically discharged into the APU compartment as it will be controlled by ECB. The fire light will goes off when the fire has been extinguished. APU setup push button is option also available on the external power panel. Allow the ground crew to shut down the APU whenever there is an emergency situation. When it is pressed, an APU emergency shutdown is initiated. When an APU fire warning has been triggered, press this push button also silence the external horn. So guys, hope you have understand about red disk of Airbus 320 APU, as well as I have also explained about the fire panel into the cockpit and external electrical power panel related APU push button and auto shutdown button, lights, test button, disk and squib light button. If you have any question related to this, please type into the comment box. Definitely I will come back with answer in as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video till in. Please don't forget to subscribe to get new video.